Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're stepping into holiday decor with a beautifully crafted piece from Mackenzie-Childs, the tabletop Christmas tree in the short size with the charming Christmas Cardinal design. If you love festive decorations that blend artistry with elegance, this one is definitely worth a closer look. Right away, you notice the signature Mackenzie-Childs aesthetic, detailed patterns, hand-painted touches, and a unique style that instantly elevates any holiday setup. This tabletop Christmas tree is designed for people who want a standout accent piece that doesn't require a lot of space but still makes a bold, festive impression. At a compact size, it fits perfectly on a side table, shelf, desk, or mantel, making it an easy decor upgrade for apartments, small rooms, offices, or cozy corners of your home. The craftsmanship feels premium from the moment you unbox it. The tree features classic holiday colors but in a refined Mackenzie-Childs way, rich reds, soft greens, and subtle metallic accents that reflect light beautifully. The highlight, of course, is the Christmas Cardinal perched elegantly, symbolizing warmth, hope, and winter charm. Whether you're adding it to an existing holiday collection or starting fresh with a new decor theme, this tree instantly becomes a centerpiece. One of the best things about this piece is its versatility. It works with traditional Christmas setups, whimsical styles, rustic winter themes, and even modern minimal holiday layouts. The sturdy base ensures it stays stable, and the detailed design means it looks great from every angle, perfect for display areas where guests will notice it up close. Maintenance is simple, just dust occasionally, and it keeps its vibrant finish for years. Mackenzie-Childs pieces are often collected and passed down, and this tree fits right into that heirloom quality tradition. If you're looking for a festive accent that's elegant, artistic, and full of holiday character, the Mackenzie-Childs Tabletop Christmas Tree is one of those pieces that transforms a room with almost no effort. If you want to check it out or bring one to your holiday decor this season, the link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more decor and tech product reviews here on Gadgetverse.